Hello students, welcome to BSc second year. In the first part of this year, that is third semester, we are going to study paper number 7 titled Organic Chemistry, and myself Dr. S.R. Vaidya is going to teach you this paper. We are using this alternate method of teaching and learning due to unavoidable situation created by COVID-19. First of all, let's see how to look at the syllabus to be covered in this paper. Total number of topics are 5, which are includes alcohols, phenols, aldehyde and ketones, carboxylic acids, and organic compounds of a nitrogen. Organic compounds of a nitrogen. First part is nitroalkanes. Today we will start the next topic, nitroalkanes. Organic nitro compounds have been divided into two categories. One where the nitrogen element is present in the functional group, and other where the nitrogen is present in the ring. And the second category of the compounds are called as nitrogen containing heterocyclic compounds. Pyridine, pyrrole, these are the example of a heterocyclic compound, and nitroalkane is example of here the first category. Organic nitro compounds are characterized by the presence of NO2 group. They may be aliphatic or aromatic according to whether the nitro group is attached to alkali or aryl group. When the nitro group is attached to aliphatic side chain, it is named as nitroalkanes, and when the nitro group is attached to aromatic ring, it is called as nitroarene. Today we will first discuss the introduction of nitroalkanes, nomenclature of a nitroalkane, then we see the classification, and lastly we see here the different methods of preparation of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes are the nitro derivatives of alkane obtained by the replacement of a hydrogen atom of alkane by nitro group. The general formula of a nitroalkane is RNO2. NO2 is a functional group and R means in alkane. Now we will discuss the nomenclature of a nitroalkanes. Aliphatic nitro compounds are named as nitroalkanes. According to IUPAC system of a nomenclature, the prefix nitro is added to the name of alkane to which the nitro group is attached after replacing hydrogen. We can discuss with some example here. First here CH3NO2. The parent alkane is methane. If we have replaced one hydrogen from the NO2, here formation of nitromethane. Here second example is nitroethane, and we look at the third example. This is propane. You know propane has primary and secondary hydrogen. When the replacement of primary hydrogen, one nitropropane is here. Name of this is 1-nitropropane, and when NO2 group is attached to secondary carbon atom, this is the 2-nitropropane. These are also the example of here nitroalkanes. After that we will discuss the classification of nitroalkanes. Like alcohols, nitroalkanes are further divided into primary nitroalkanes, secondary and tertiary nitroalkanes on the basis of the carbon to which the nitro group is attached. Here we can see the first example of primary nitroalkane. This is the primary nitroalkane because here NO2 group is attached to primary carbon atom. Primary carbon atom is the carbon atom which is linked to another only one carbon atom here. Second example is secondary nitroalkane. In the secondary nitroalkane, NO2 group is attached to secondary carbon atom because here this is 2-nitropropene, because this carbon atom here linked to another 2 carbon, and therefore NO2 group is present on the secondary. Therefore this is the secondary nitroalkane. In tertiary nitroalkane, NO2 group is present on the tertiary carbon atom. The tertiary carbon atom is here, it is linked to another 3 alkali groups. Therefore 2-methyl 2-nitropropane. This is the example of tertiary nitroalkanes. This is the basic classification of nitroalkanes. After that classification, we will discuss the different methods of preparation of nitroalkanes. Number of methods are there. We will discuss 5 methods of preparation for nitroalkanes. First one is the nitration of alkane. Second one is preparation of a nitroalkane from the alkyl halide. Third one is from halogen acid, and fourth one is oxidation of primary amine, and last one is from the nitroalkene. We will discuss all these methods in details. Now first first method is by nitration of alkane. The reaction of alkane with nitric acid result in the formation of nitroalkane. The reaction can be carried out in liquid phase at lower temperature, and another is here vapor phase at higher temperature. Same reaction occur. Nitroalkane are prepared by passing a gaseous mixture of alkane and nitric acid through a narrow metal tube at about 400 degree temperature. This temperature varies at for different hydrocarbons. See here, methane react with nitric acid at 400 degree here to get the nitromethane. Next method is for the preparation of nitroalkane from alkali halide. Nitroalkane may be prepared by heating alkali halide with silver nitride. In this reaction, this is actually the example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. This NO2 group here is substituted the halogen of alkali halide. Okay. Here the one more important thing is that the NO2 group is abundant nucleophile, means it has 2 sites through which it can be attack the alkali halide. If attacked via nitrogen, nitroalkanes are formed, and whereas attack via oxygen result in nitrides. Here the silver nitride is covalent compounds, and hence the more nucleophilic nitrogen through its lone pair of electrons attack the nitro compounds are formed as a major product. When AgNO2 is used, here we get the nitroethane is a major product, and only in this method by this method only primary nitroalkanes can be prepared. Means this method is used for the preparation of primary nitroalkanes. Next method for the preparation of nitroalkanes is from alpha halocarboxylic acid. Alpha halocarboxylic acid or alpha acetic acid. Alpha acetic acid means the acetic acid having halogen atom at alpha position. In this reaction, the first step is the replacement of the chloro group by nitro group. This is a simple replacement reaction. We can see the nucleophilic substitution and formation of alpha nitroacetic acid. In next step, they undergoes decarboxylation when it is heated, and to give a nitromethane and a CO2, here removal of carbon dioxide. This is the preparation of nitroalkane from alpha halocarboxylic acid. Now, the next method is the oxidation of primary amine. Primary amine here means the NH2 group is attached to primary carbon atom. When it undergoes oxidation with per acid and form a corresponding nitroalkane. For example, here this is the 1 propene when it is oxidized in presence of per acetic acid to form a nitropropene. Similarly, the amino group is attached to suppose secondary carbon atom, then it forms a secondary nitroalkane. Okay, means this method is used for the preparation of primary and secondary nitroalkanes also. Then last method is the preparation of nitroalkanes from the nitroalkene. Olefins means nitroalkenes, alpha nitroalkene. Here nitroalkene may be prepared by acidic or alkaline hydrolysis of alpha nitroalkene. Here for example 2-methyl nitro 1-nitropropene gives acetone and here nitromethane. Here the 2-methyl 1-nitropropene when hydrolyzed, nitromethane and acetone is here a product. Here in this method the quantity of this nitromethane is here in good quantity, and acetone is a side product is acetone. In this way, here the methods of preparation of nitroalkanes, all these are the preparation of all these methods for the preparation of nitroalkane. So in this lecture we have discussed the classification of nitroalkanes, introduction, classification, nomenclature, methods of preparation, and all these points we will discuss. And the next lecture we will discuss the physical properties of a nitroalkanes and chemical properties of a nitroalkanes. Okay, in next lecture we will see the physical and chemical properties of nitroalkanes. Today in this lecture we will discuss the physical properties of nitroalkanes and some important chemical properties of nitroalkane: acidic nature, reduction of nitroalkane, hydrolysis of nitroalkane, reaction with halogens, thermal decomposition, condensation of nitroalkane with aldehydes, and reaction with nitroacid. So first we will discuss the physical properties of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes are pleasant smelling colorless liquid. They are lower member of nitroalkanes are soluble in water, but higher members are insoluble due to the presence of higher alkali group. Hydrogen bonding is absent with water, and but they are completely soluble in organic solvents. They are polar in nature due to the electronegativity difference is present in these nitroalkanes. Therefore, they are polar in nature. All these physical properties associated with nitroalkanes. After that, we will discuss the chemical properties of a nitroalkane. And first chemical property is the acidic nature. This is the very interesting property in nitroalkane is the tautomerism. You must have heard the ketoenol tautomerism in carbonyl compounds. Yes, when the ketones, they are having alpha hydrogen atom which is acidic in nature, therefore they show such a type of ketoenol tautomerism, means keto form as well as the enol form. The alpha proton transfer from alpha carbon to oxygen, and the bond in between the carbon, oxygen is shifted to carbon-carbon, and there is formation of enol form. Enol means unsaturation, and a hydroxy group is present. In nitroalkane, there is not a keto-enol tautomerism, but this is called the tautomerism is there, but here the this form is called as a nitro form and acid form. In this case also, in nitroalkane, alpha hydrogen atom is acidic in nature because it is linked to electronegative NO2 group, and therefore in this case this transfer of alpha hydrogen from the carbon to oxygen and a formation of acid form, this form is called as a acid form. Such a type of a tautomerism occur in nitroalkanes. This is the first chemical property of nitroalkane. Now next one is the reduction of a nitroalkane. Reduction of nitroalkane. In reduction of nitroalkane depends upon the nature of reducing agent as well as on the pH of the reaction medium. We will discuss the reduction of nitro compound in acidic media. Aliphatic nitro compounds are reduced to primary amine when treated with metal acid, here tin in presence of hydrochloric acid, or sometimes here zinc in presence of HCl or Fe in presence of HCl, we get the amine. If the reduction occur in presence of the neutral medium, the nitro compound is reduced in neutral medium, then it is converted into hydroxyl amine. Here when RNO2 is treated with zinc ammonium chloride, we get the alkali hydroxyl amine. In neutral medium, formation of hydroxyl amine takes place, and in acidic medium we will get the amine compounds. Now next one is the hydrolysis of nitroalkanes. The next property is hydrolysis of nitroalkane. Nitroalkanes can be hydrolyzed depends upon the nature of a nitroalkane. Primary and secondary nitroalkanes are hydrolyzed in presence of concentrated HCl or H2SO4. The acidic hydrolysis of primary nitroalkanes results in the formation of carboxylic acid and hydroxyl amine. Here we can see this is the primary nitroalkane. When hydrolyzed, we will get here acetic acid and hydroxyl amine. This is the hydrolysis of nitroalkane. Now fourth reaction is, or fourth chemical property is, reaction of nitroalkane with halogen. In the halogenation reaction, the primary and secondary nitroalkanes react with halogen in presence of NaOH. First there is formation of monohalogen derivative, and then again it react with the halogen dihalogen derivative. In this case here, the alpha halogenation, when primary and secondary nitroalkane react with the halogen in presence of base, alpha halogenation takes place. Alpha halogenation means halogenation at a alpha carbon atom. See here, this primary nitroalkane, this having two alpha hydrogen atom, therefore we will get here dihalogen derivative. In secondary nitroalkane, when halogenation occur, it gives only monohalogen derivative, and in tertiary there is no reaction. See here, secondary nitroalkane gives only monohalogen derivative because only one alpha hydrogen atom is present in secondary nitroalkane. This is the halogenation reaction of a nitroalkane. We will discuss the next reaction of a nitroalkane, the thermal decomposition. When nitroalkane is heated, here the NO2, CO2 and hydrogen is liberated and the decomposition occur. After that, we see the sixth reaction is a condensation with aldehydes. In condensation of nitroalkane with aldehyde, primary and secondary nitroalkanes having alpha hydrogen atom condensed with aldehyde in similar manner as an aldol condensation, because alpha hydrogen atom in nitroalkane is acidic in nature. The carbanion ion formed from the nitroalkane, because this is having a alpha hydrogen atom, and attack as a nucleophile at the carbonyl carbon of here acetaldehyde, and we will get here the product like aldol. Here nitroethane condensed with acetaldehyde in presence of ethanolic NaOH to form 1 nitro 1 methyl propanol. This is the condensation reaction of a nitroalkane. Now next one and very interesting reaction is the reaction with nitrous acid. Primary nitroalkane react with nitrous acid to form nitrolic acid. Nitrolic acid gives a red color with alkali, and the secondary nitroalkanes forms acidonitrous, gives blue color with alkali, and tertiary nitroalkanes do not react with nitrous acid. Means here in this reaction is used for the distinguishing of primary, secondary and tertiary nitroalkanes. Here these are all are the important chemical properties of nitroalkanes.